Hello everyone, this video is a tutorial video of Neural FX Expert Advisor, and in this video we're gonna install Neural FX Expert Advisor in MT5. So let's just extract our files here. Okay, so let's open it, and now you can see two files, and we're gonna install MT5. So let's open MT5, and here you can see two type of files, and one is export and the other one is indicator. Let's open our MT5. Okay, here we have MT5 terminal opened. Now we need to go to file, and then we can go open data folder, and here you can see we have another folder open, and now we need to go to NQL5, and let's open our another folder of expert Neural FX Expert Advisor. Let's go to experts, and here we need to go to experts. Just drag and drop here, go back. Now we need to go to indicator. Let's open indicator, just drag and drop here, and let's close this and close MT5 as well. Restart, let's refresh, let's open again, and now we need to make sure this algo trading is turned on. Just on it and go to tools, click on options, and here we need to go to Expert Advisor, allow this DRL imports and all these ticks, and click OK. And now you need to open any MT5 chart. Let's open this and use M15 time frame. And now we need to go to Expert Advisor. You can see Neural FX Expert here. Just drag and drop on the chart, and here we have our key features of Neural FX Expert Advisor. Just you need to make sure there is a auto trading toggle. Just make sure it's true if you want automated trading, and if you want to use as a indicator, then turn it off, so it won't trade automatically. So in my case, I'm going for automatic trading. Let's click OK. So it's appeared on the chart. Here you can see that's it, and on the right top side you can see there is a below expert file. It means that it's all okay and it works perfectly. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.